every sort of refreshment that somebody would need within reach.
So why didn't you want to stop at that little country store?
Tchotchke shop. One second you want to fly, the next second you want to go antiquing. What's up with that?
I wanted to buy you something.
Oh, wind chimes. Got 5. No, thank you.
Actually, a snow globe to replace Vicky's. I felt really bad when it fell off the mantle. But I mean, it wouldn't be the same. Bad idea.
Really, really nice idea.
But some things just aren't replaceable.
Do you know that after you left Donna said that Vicky would have really liked you?
I guess that's a pretty big compliment coming from her mother.
Pretty big compliment. I have to go.
Well, why don't you just tell Lucinda that something pressing came up? Hmm?
Shoot your sheep. She told me to meet her at the Lakeview. This sounds very serious.
Yeah, well, everything with Lucinda sounds very
No,
serious.
you don't understand. She wouldn't even exchange a barb with me. I have to go. I have to go now.
Dick!
Oh!
Sorry.
Olive. Why don't you keep that? No other chick rides on the back of my hog.
I knew it. I knew you couldn't leave me that easily.
Miss me that much, because
Is it really you?
I thought you'd never get home.
This is the topper to an absolutely stellar day. Welcome home. Oh.